Welcome to ACE Radiology Masterclass. I'm really glad that you have signed up for this unique program which is aimed at busy clinicians who want to learn a new skill and become an expert sitting at the comfort of their home. The Masterclass series will focus on chest CT, cardiac CT, cardiac MR, and in the coming months on neuroimaging and musculoskeletal imaging. This video is aimed at people who have signed up for the course and want to know how the system works. So I will be showing you how to get into the LMS or the Learning Management System, where all your course content is and where all the training will happen. ACE Radiology Masterclass is designed to have two components. One is self-learning at your own pace and at your own comfort, and second component is actual interaction with the expert and case-based discussions based on whatever you have learned on your own and to develop newer skills. Each masterclass is divided into 5 modules. Each module will have components on articles where you have to read some of the chosen articles which will help you in gaining the knowledge. The second component of each module will have video tutorials which will be showing you how to approach a case and to improve on your knowledge. The third component will be looking at images, 1 at your own comfort and 2 along with the expert. The fourth component is assessment, which you have to do on your own, and you will do it after you have seen the cases and you have read the material. The fifth component of each module will be a webinar series where I will be interacting with you and we will be going through some cases and learning newer skills. So let's get started and see what is in store for you in the next 1 month. To begin with, you will receive an email which will look something like this, where you will be seeing your name and you will be given a login link where you have to click to access the LMS or the Learning Management System. Please note the username and password is also provided along with this, and you will have to remember this. So click the link and the whole journey starts. Once you click the link, you will end up in this page. Here you need to enter your username and password which was sent to you as an email. Once you have done that, you will land into this welcome page. The welcome page or your dashboard will show you what all courses that you have subscribed to. It will also show you the activities that are planned for you in that particular week. So you can see here, it says this week's content are some of the images. There's going to be a webinar on this week, while there are some articles for you to read. If you go further down in the dashboard, you will see there is a discussion forum where you can discuss cases, or you can ask question and answers to the expert and there will be answers within this. Also, at the bottom of your dashboard, it will tell you about upcoming webinars of that week. If you have any, you will get the link there. So on the day of the webinar, you log in and you come to this page. There will be a link for your webinar and you click there and you will get logged in to the webinar session. On the left hand side here, you are seeing multiple options. If you select next, My Content Library, that leads on to your course. For example here, Chest CT Radiology Masterclass. This is the August batch and you can see this is one of the top achievers of the week. In the batch dashboard, which is seen within the content library, you will be able to see again the contents for this week. Within this batch dashboard, you will also be able to see the performance of yourselves and your peers and see who is the best, who is actually lagging behind and what they need to do. Within your course, you can also click on your course content. This is where you will spend most of your time. In your course content, you will be able to see what all are available. For example, 7 videos, 60 links, 5 webinars which are available and 16 documents. You can see at the bottom here that there are multiple modules which have been put together. If you click within the module, you will see that there are different components of the module. For example, the first module is Basics of Chest CT. The first component will be reading material. You will have articles within this which you have to click to read the articles, and once you finish reading the article you can say completed. The second component within the module are going to be video tutorials. So you can see these video tutorials one by one and get ready for the webinar. These video tutorials are aimed at the topic that we are discussing. Once you click this video tutorial, you will get a new pop-up window where you will see the video with the PowerPoint presentation, and you can see this again and again till you get a clear understanding of what is happening. Also within each module, you will find the third component being cases, links to specific DICOM dataset where you can see patient files. These images are grouped into two categories, one called as cases for webinar and cases post webinar. What does that mean? Cases for webinar basically means these cases will be discussed at the webinar with the faculty. If you are really keen on learning before seeing them in webinar, you are more than welcome to look at these cases at your own pace before webinar. However, to begin with, I would advise that you wait for the webinar and we discuss these cases at the webinar. Once the webinar is over, you should go to your learning module again and look at these cases which are post webinar 1. So every webinar will be followed by cases post webinar. I want you guys to go through these cases. Once you go through these cases, you will be asked to do an assessment. Also remember, these cases which are cases post webinar 1 will be discussed during webinar 2. So this is something like your homework. You do your homework at your own pace, you finish an assessment module, and in our next class or in our next webinar, we'll go through these cases, and if there are any doubts or clarifications, we will sort these out. Once you click on these links, you will get a new pop-up window where you can see the cases. These are a standard image viewer where you can drag and drop the series and you should be able to see the cases. So you can pick up and drop the images across here. You can scroll through the images, you can change the window setting, you can zoom in, etc. If you want to look at 3D multiplanar reconstructions, or you want to look at the sagittal and coronal images, press this 2D MPR button and it will open up images in the sagittal and coronal windows. So you will have everything at your fingertip and you should be able to assess these cases straight away. The last component of each of your module is going to be the objective assessment. This is something you need to finish after you've seen all the cases of the module. Once you click that, you will get a objective questionnaire where you have to answer 10 questions and you will be given marks according to that. Don't worry, this is not a pass or fail examination. It is something for you to assess how much you have learned and whether you need to learn something more, and it will tell you areas of your improvement. Okay, hopefully you've all understood and are ready to go and learn this. Some of you may be a bit confused and may be worried, I don't know how to get through all of this. Don't be worried, we are here. We are here to help. Take this number down. We will form a WhatsApp group for your whole batch and we'll be discussing any issues on the WhatsApp group. Also, you can reach out to this number on the WhatsApp, who is the course coordinator, and he will be able to help you in getting through this. Remember, this is where it all starts. So once you get an email with your login links, then it is time for you to get on and get started. Again, welcome to the Radiology Masterclass. I'm sure you're going to be enjoying this experience.